Hey everyone, time for another recap. If you guys watched the previous video, or the 1019 recap, every single play was up anywhere from 2.5 to 5%. So it was a good little payday. Now I'm going to go over about 5 or 6 different coins. But before I do that, if you guys are enjoying my content, please consider using my link in the description below. You can get up to $4,300 on your trading using Bybit. Every single trade and chart given here is also shared on my Twitter. My Twitter link is in the comments or in the description below. And if you guys want to join a more interactive community to see discussions between myself and other analysts, consider joining AR Collective, also in the description below. So let's get started. I'm looking at Bitcoin today. As mentioned on Twitter, I am looking to relong this 18.6 or this 18,800 to 18,400 range. If we can retest it here, I'd be looking to long with a stop loss of about 2%. So right now we are doing a very crucial SR test right here. Um, we basically reverse the whole entire move up, and usually that happens on the weekends. Everything gets reversed. So I am looking to possibly position myself in a long here, and ideally I'm going to place my stop loss under this wick here. It's about 18k, and I'm looking for a move up to 21.5k. So I mentioned this in or on Twitter and my Discord, but I'm looking for a move up here. Expect rejection at 20.3, 20.4k, so somewhere here. And this is going to be the range. Okay, so I'm looking to relong down here about 18.8 to 18.4, and then stop loss under 18k using 2% of my port, and then TPs would be at 20.4 and 21.5 ideally. Now, I was long on 1019 at 18.7k. I actually closed at 19.5, so I'm looking to relong there. But I'm just waiting on the stock market to open, so I'm potentially looking to position myself there for Bitcoin. Now for ETH, same with Bitcoin on the stream. Um, Sorry, I just canceled my trading view subscription. I don't use it as much right now, but 1272 is where I got long earlier last week, and right now I'm looking to get long at this 4-hour OB. If we can successfully retest it, that's probably looking to long with a 2% stop, so it'll probably look something like this. Okay, it's a 3.3 hour trade. Um, Stop would be below here. Now, I would ideally like a move up to about 14, 20 this week, but I'd be happy with this. Now, none of this is financial advice. Please do your due diligence and don't blindly follow my trades. These are just some ideas, but that's where I would be looking to set myself up for a potential scalp. Um, at 1312, stop loss around 1290, and TP, at resistance levels. So probably somewhere around there, 1333 there, and there. So yellow would be the TPs. For Sol, Sol is just getting rejected by this downtrend line. I'd be looking to get long around 27.5, right? Stop loss would be a hard, if you want a hard stop loss, you can do it under this wick. My stop loss will be manual daily close under 27.5. I don't want us to, come back down turn that to resistance and drop further. If we turn that to resistance, I'll probably look to short with a stop loss above there. But 27.5 to about 27 looks like a good long. And you'll TP on the way up. Sol is very weak, so be careful with Sol. I wouldn't risk too much, maybe like 1% there. So it looks something like this. If you want a hard stop, it'll look something like that. Okay, so you'll take profit on the way up. I have a manual stop, which will be a daily close under 27.5. And if we come back up, turn to resistance, I'll look to open a short. That's the plan for Sol. For MATIC, if you guys haven't watched my supply and demand video, go ahead and check it out. But this is per my definition of a demand zone. It's a little different than textbook. So I'm looking if we can get a dip down here. I'm looking to long 84 cents, 84.5 cents, about 2% stop loss. MATIC is strong, so I'm hoping for a retest of this breakout, and then, if we're bullish, I'll be taking TPs around 88 cents and 94 cents. Now for more confluence here, why there was a demand zone, but also it'd be an SR flip. Okay, so if we can come back down here, flip and go up, that would be super bullish. It'd be a retest of the breakout. 30-minute demand zone there. So that's what I'm looking to position myself with MATIC. Again, all these charts are posted on my Twitter. Now, the coin of the past week for the next month, APT. Okay, so I positioned myself short. I gave it to the Discord. We have a harmonic and a 1 hour bearish OB. We rejected it, turned this into resistance, so I positioned myself short around 9.77. Stop loss was about 10.2. Now, I've taken some profit. I'm looking to compound. If we break this market structure and turn it to resistance around $9, I will add to my short. Otherwise, the target for this harmonic would be about 7.4-ish. Now, if we have an SR flip around 7.67, 7.7, that's your trigger to long. That's where I am going to long. But right now, I'm looking at this $9 area. Okay. If we bounce from it, I expect a little push higher. Not much, but if we do break market structure, you can short on the retest. And your stop loss above the highest wick, probably about 1.5% stop loss. It'll look, I can't give you a stop loss placement right now, but it'll be something like that. And you're going to target a move down to this SR flip region. Okay, it's going to be about a 6R trade with a very tight stop loss. Again, this coin is very illiquid, so I wouldn't go in with a big position. Probably like use 1/4 of your normal size. More now on an opposing view, we have a falling wedge. Okay, we broke out, retested it. Now we're just holding here. The target for this falling wedge is back to this resistance. Okay, now if we do reject there, I'll look to short again with my stop loss above here. Very tight stop loss. Now, if we do break down, right, like I showed here, based on how I trade low time frame scalps, if we have a trend line here, right? Let's make this a different color. Let's make this pink. Okay, so if we break trend line, you're looking for a retest. That's where you will short. These will be your TPs. Okay, on that retest, I would maybe enter with a small position if we break down, just in case we don't get that retest. Oh wow, it's pumping. But you're looking to short on that retest with your stop loss above the highest wick. Right now it would be here, okay, and you'll target a move like that. Now you're looking for a breakdown and retest. Um, but again, we had that falling wedge, and the target is 9.7, so that's why we are pumping. Okay, we broke out, retest, and now we're pumping. Again, this coin's very liquid, so use small size, but for now, if we do break down, retest, wherever, your stop loss will be above the highest wick. Okay, not this one, but here, it's a scalp. And these TPs aren't guaranteed to hit, so please use, your judgment. None of this is financial advice, but these are the only coins I'm looking for this week. Um, Again, I gave a bunch of charts on my Twitter. Go ahead and check it out. Please, again, if you guys do like my content, share this video, follow me on Twitter, and I post a lot more content in the coming weeks. Thank you guys. Bye.